First, let's go to Colorado Springs and teen court. You hear about a jury of your peers. Well, if you do something wrong in Colorado Springs, you could actually be judged by a jury of your peers. Teenagers will lay down the law. Let's find out what happens at teen court.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Today I was the foreperson for a peer panel. I asked most of the questions and I kind of help the defendant know what's going on throughout the whole process.
They tell us their story, we give them a sentence, and we try to lead them in a straighter path.
I guess let's just start off by talking about what happened as you understand it.
What teen court is it's a justice system for teens by teens. So juvenile offenders who plead guilty, they come to us, and rather than be sentenced by some judge in a courtroom, they're sentenced by their peers.
Ashley does a lot for me. My husband spent the last 4 years deployed.
We have either a peer panel or a trial, and then that trial is like a more formal, the kind of thing you'd see on Law and Order. And then the peer panel, it's just a discussion with the defendant.
I'm going to go easier on Ashley for community service because she can't do as much with her back. It straightens a lot of kids out, and it really just teaches them that what they're doing is not okay and they should, go right when they're going left.
Some people can be really desperate and you don't really realize what you're doing at the time. Like for shoplifting, it really doesn't matter where you come from, but you can do anything.
A lot of times people will say that this is like a mock trial, and I also do mock trials. So the difference is that this is entirely real. The sentences that are given by the panels of jurors or by ourselves, they're carried out with the full force of the law.
I think the most valuable thing would probably be just learning how to interact with all sorts of different people and learning how to deal with really tough situations in a fair and balanced manner.
I just love the feeling of knowing that I helped someone today and I might have turned their life around, and it's really great to know that.
The good book says, judge not lest ye be judged. Well, unless you break the law, I guess. Teen court in Colorado Springs on Keeping It Real TV. We're back at the Firehouse in Bennett. Youth program going on, and it's fantastic because the teens are serving lunch, and it smells actually very good. I got to get some before I leave. We're going to show you more of what they do around here and introduce you to a great product that they make here as well. It could be great for you and your skin. Hey, Keeping It Real TV, we're online, we're digital, we're mobile, we're all over the place. All you got to do is go to our website. It's keepingitrealcolorado.com. That's the place you can find out about podcasting and the links, websites for the show, things that you may have missed along the way, things you just couldn't write down. All you got to do is just go to our website, keepingitrealcolorado.com. When we come back, I'm going to go find some lunch, and we're going to talk about college and how to prepare for college in these hard economic times. You're watching Keeping It Real TV.